The first one is she dash go her college today. Now, hey guys, good morning from my side. So today we are going to learn about can and could, and the video is going to be very interested. So let's start the video, friends. First of all, we will talk about can, where we use can and how. So the first use of can is possibility and ability. If you are talking about any possibility or ability, then you have to mention can there. So let's understand it through example. The first example is you can read my book. Now in this example, you can read my book, it shows the possibility. Let's look at the second example. The second example is she can buy this phone from market. She can buy this phone from market. It shows the possibility. She can buy this phone from market or she cannot, but it is a positive sentence. She can buy this phone from market. Let's look at the third one. The third one is we can win the match. Now in this sentence, it shows the ability of the person. We can win the match. Win is a kind of ability. We can win the match. It shows the ability. Look at fourth one. Fourth one is Aman can speak English. Aman can speak English. Now in fourth one, it shows the ability of Aman. Aman can speak English. Speak English is a kind of ability. So in this sentence, it shows the ability of person. So let's look at the second use of can. Second use of can, permission and request. So if you are asking for permission to someone, then you have to use can. And the second, if you are requesting to someone, then you also have to use can. Look at the example and understand it more easily. The first example is, can I take your phone? In this sentence, I'm asking, can I take your phone? I'm asking for permission. So I use can. Let's look at the second example. The second example is, can I use your laptop? In this sentence also, I'm asking for permission. Can I use your laptop? Look at the third one. Can you switch off the fan? Now in this sentence, I'm asking for request. I'm asking for request. Can you switch off the fan? In third one, I'm asking for request. Look at the fourth one. The fourth one is, can I talk to you? In this sentence, I'm also asking for request. Can I talk to you? Let's look at the could. So first use of could is polite request. When we request with politeness, when we request with someone with politeness, then we use could. So understand it through some example. The first example is, could she talk to her for me? I'm asking to her, could she talk to her for me? I'm asking you also, could she, but I'm asking about someone else, about a girl. Could she talk to her for me? But I'm asking with politeness. Okay, if you are asking for something with politeness, if you want to show your politeness, then you have to use could there. So let's look at the second one. The second one is, could she teach me this language? I'm asking for teaching me this language with politeness. I'm asking with politeness for teaching me this language. Look at the third one. The third one is, could you prepare my presentation? So in the third one, I'm asking for prepare my presentation with politeness. I'm asking with politeness. Look at the fourth one. The fourth one is, could he teach her about technology? I'm asking, could he teach her about technology? So in this sentence also I'm polite. I'm politely asking for teach her about technology. So let's look at the second use of could. The second use of could is past ability. If you are talking about past ability, if you are talking about your past ability, then you have to use could. So let's look at the first example. She could run fast when she was young. She could run fast when she was young means to say she cannot do that thing now, but she could. She could that thing when she was young. So it was the past ability of her. Let's look at the second example. The second example is in my childhood, I could ask anything without shyness. Means to say, right now I cannot do that thing, but I could do when I was child. I could ask anything without shyness when I was child in my childhood. So it was my past ability. It shows the past ability. If I use could, it means it shows the past ability. So let's look at the third one. The third one is they could play nicely when they were young. In this sentence also, it shows the past ability. They could play nicely when they were young. When they were young, they could do that thing, but right now they can't do that thing. So let's look at the fourth one. The fourth one is I could dance for long hours when I was young. Means to say when I was young, that time I could dance for long hour. But right now at the present, I cannot do that thing. I cannot dance for long hours right now at the present. But it was my past ability. I could that thing in the past. But at the right now, I cannot do thing. It was my past ability. It shows the past ability. I hope you understand the both use could and can. So let's understand it more easy through exercise. Let's look at an exercise. The first one is she dash go her college today. Now what do you think? What should we fill there? Can or could? She dash go to her college today. If you know the answer, you can write your answer in comment. I'll check it. So the right answer is can, because it is not the past ability, it is present ability. It is present ability. She can go to her college today. So we use can there. Now let's look at the second one. They dash fight with them when they were young. Now what should be there? What do you think about that? Could should be there or can should be there? If you know the answer, then write in the comment. Well, the right answer is could, because they could fight with them when they were young. When they were young, it shows the past ability when they were young. But they cannot do thing right now. They cannot do that thing right now. But they were young. When they were young, that time they could do that thing. So let's look at the third one. The third one is I dash make him understand easily. Now what do you think? What should be there? Can or could? If you know the answer, then comment me. I'll check it. Well, the right answer is can, because I can make him understand easily. It shows my ability. It shows my strength. I can make him understand easily. So I'm talking about my ability. So remember, whenever we talk about ability, we use can there. We use can there whenever we are talking about present ability. I can make him understand easily. So let's look at the last one. The last one is my friends dash speak Punjabi language. Now what do you think about that sentence? My friends dash speak Punjabi language. What should be there, could or can? If you know the answer, just comment me. I'll check it. Is it right or wrong? So the right answer is can, because it is the ability. My friends can speak Punjabi language. It is the ability.